extra credit of creating the circle graph here, you're going to want to double click on that to open it up. And then that gets you in your drawing tools. And then from here, you can create, lines across, like here would be 25%. And then you could just kind of estimate your percentages, whatever they needed to be, and just going center out to the edge. You could add the text box to say what it is, and you could draw color in as you wanted. If you wanted a color code, whoops, I didn't want to color code the whole thing. You don't have to color. Let's get that transparent again. Okay, so before you start messing with this and estimating your percentages, you should first off go back and figure out your numbers to the nearest percentage. So here's my sample data that we had the other day. And if we're going to figure out a percentage for a circle graph, we're going to want to look at our part over our whole. So Lay's again is 1 out of 20. And percentages are out of 100. And I would cross multiply and divide. So 100 divided by 20 is 5%. So that would not be very much of my graph. So if I wanted to represent 5%, it's going to be just a very little bit. So I want to get rid of these random lines that I stuck on there. And I can just kind of estimate what 5% is. Okay, that section right there would be 25%. Would be that. So I want like less than half of that. If that's 25%, that would be 12%. So I want even less than that. So I think right about there, and I could label that with a little text box. 5%, 5% lace. And I would repeat that for each section. Okay, it is extra credit. It's optional.